All right, guys, in this video, we're going to go over what we have behind us in this van, which is hundreds of dollars in savings. Whether you use Sam's Club, BJ's, Costco, you need to keep your eye out, especially if you're buying a lot of product or even not a lot of product. I mean, you can save hundreds of dollars if you keep your eyes open to what they're selling. So let's take a look and see what we got. Open up here. All right. So this was from Sam's Club. These limited time. For 1 month, they had them on sale. 50 counts. There's no limit. It's $4 off per box. So we got 15 boxes of those. Okay, now something you do need to watch out for when you're buying in bulk like this is the dates. It's towards the middle of September right now, and these dates are good till almost the end of November. So keep that in mind when you're buying and saving on these deals. Are you going to be able to get through, not just keeping them on your shelf, but sell through the machines where they go on location? So we got some of these bold. We got some tangy, right? Those are $4 off a box. So we bought a bunch of those. Now come over here to the side and we'll see what else we got. This was really, these two things are the main haul or the main savings of the video. Chocolate. This case of chocolate, which is normally per bar around $1 per bar, breaks down to it was $8 off per case, 76 cents per bar, per chocolate bar. So we've got 8 of those. Really want to, you got to make sure you have refrigeration to hold those, so you don't want to go crazy on those. Next, in the back there, you can see Celsius. That was really a terrific deal. Celsius, $6 off per case of Celsius, $6 off, but there was a limit of 10, so you could save 60 with that. So in total, with all of the savings that we were able to get by this haul, we were saved over $250 in product just by keeping your eyes out and seeing what's available. So just a quick video when you're wherever you're shopping. This was Sam's Club, Costco does it, BJ's, Restaurant Depot, Walmart rollbacks, whatever. Keep your eye out for these deals because they can save you a lot of money in your vending business. Until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.